Like Claudia and Reina on our show the next day.
Really?
Yeah. He like dodged every question. So funny. Because he's like the only guy out of all the... He's not really a coach. He's the head of the entire youth program. So like everyone
wondered
he's getting fired.
nobody has a problem with
But he'll keep his job.
costumes to paint his face.
No, this is New York. It's cool here.
Yes, that's good.
Well, you thinking about wearing your mustache?
Oh, yeah.
Josie, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
Shot.
Yes, it would be time. It would have been time in the club.
Yeah, you should have worn it in the pyramid.
Well, yeah. Well, should have asked for YMCA or something, and then no.
You need a helmet for that.
Or I don't know. Is it the helmet man? Or is it the policeman?
I think you all wear it.
And the rocker guy. Yeah. It's my mustache. Yeah, I keep it that way because you have to care about it.
Don't lose your mustache.
Yeah.
No,
I will surprise my wife with that. She'll be so happy.
Will she?
Yeah. She loves it.
I played a couple times for money, other people. This one dude, fuck.
My daughter will cry.
I thought it was really good, and then I realized that there are other fucks out there.
You should have got the whole beard.
Oh yeah, it's strange. I don't. It takes long for me to grow a beard. Proper beard.
Me too, but probably it'd be very interesting to just show people, like, hey.
Yeah. But it will be very soft, I guess. Not grow a beard, and will be hard to shave it off again.
Oh no, you only have to do it once.
Oh. And keep it forever.
Oh no, I mean, just grow it like maybe 10 centimeters and then shave it.
Yeah, I can try that. But maybe I don't know if there maybe something I never let it grow. Yeah? Maybe something strange happens and there will be some part of beard and there and all be scattered.
No, but when it grows long, you can just comb it down.
Yeah, like if you have my hair loss too.
Yeah.
Okay, like my hair loss.
42 to 7.
Also compensated beard loss. Or get a wig.
A week.
Yeah.
That's a week?
No.
No.
False beard. Well, we know.
But if you're losing your hair, you can always make it a different color. You can make it red, and you will never see it.
Yeah.
We're at Delancey. Look, the brown line. Here, we're here.
Okay.
Delancey.
Won't be fun.
We're
We're going to Brooklyn. You walk around with that book all day?
Yes, to tell all the people that we're actually tourists. Good for them to know, so that.
Some bad people are going to follow you. Don't bring them to my house.
Yeah, and sell souvenirs to us. The best New York shots.
I got something from
No, but what did it have in there? What did it tell you?
It explains the history of every site you can see, Union Square or something. Always public talks there. Learn it from the book.
Tá bom,
What is that?
So my son.
Oh. Is he very young?
Yes, of course. He's one and.
You're not walking today. I think that's too. I think that's too small.
No.
Really?
Let me see the size. Yeah, he was.
1 year? That's too small.
I hope I can translate it from a European size. Oh, XL. Yeah, that must be around 69.
I don't know.
It will fit because he's. He came too early. 1 month too early, 6 weeks too early. So it's quite small. It's like 8 kilograms.
Yeah, they always have problems growing like the others. Well, some don't. Most do. 8 kilograms. That's like 16 pounds, right?
Yeah.
That's big.
No. It depends on the age.
Oh.
How old is Hans? 1 year and 2 months. Well, then 8 kilograms is just in the ideal line. And we have this corridor. Yeah, Emily too. She's always smaller and lighter than all the others, but feed her all the time. She doesn't get the.
I see.
But there's a corridor which tells you if it's still normal.
Yeah, it's like it must be from here to here,
Yeah.
and that's normal. If it's outside that, it's not normal.
Yeah.
Either they're too small or they're too big.
Oh yeah.
Can I help you?
I'm just very interested in the comic books. It's
Do you
very
want to
cool.
take a picture of it?
No, I'm taking a movie of these guys, but these
Okay.
guys stopped talking, so I'm taking a movie of something else.
Okay. It's not my face.
I'm just a New York weirdo. Don't mind me.
Cool.
We got that earlier, so we just
Down to the end, yo.
perfect. Nobody will.
Alright guys, I'm done filming you. The train's coming anyway.
Oh, you want that?